Hello students. So today in the Vedic civilization we will be studying about political life. So political life, how was the political life in Vedic civilization? So let's see what the book has to offer. Tribal divisions. In the early Vedic period the Aryans were divided into tribal groups. Each group lived in a village or grama. What is another name of the village during that time? Gram. The tribes were cattle breeders. They fought wars called Gavisthi. Gavisthi is the wars over the possession of cattle and grazing grounds. Suppose what is grazing grounds? Where the cattle eats and grazes. Grazing is the process of eating grass out of the ground. So what they did, the tribes were cattle breeders. They would breed cattle like cows, goats, and all that, and they would fought wars over grazing grounds, the grounds where the cattle could eat and graze. So they would continue wars over that, over the possession of that, and also for the cattle as well. Rajan. The tribal chief was called Rajan. He led his tribe in war and maintained law and order. He received a bali or voluntary donation for his services. So Rajan was the chief of the gram. Gram is the village. Tribal groups, they lived in village, and the chief of the tribe was called Rajan. He led his tribe in war and maintained law and order. He received bali, which is called a voluntary donation. It was received by the Rajan from the people of his gram. The Rajan was assisted by the commander in chief, Senani. What is commander in chief? Senani was the name given to commander in chief. The chief priest, Purohit, and the village headman, Gramani. He consulted his subjects on important matters. He did this through the Sabha, a small committee of select village elders, and the Samiti or the General Assembly. So, who Rajan had so many people in his control. One was commander in chief who would wage wars. Then there was chief priest. That priest was called Purohit. Then there was village headman, the head of the village. He was also important. And he consulted his subjects on important matters. For example, he would hold a sabha, a meeting, a small committee for select village elders, and also the samiti, which would be the general assembly. He would assemble people and then take their opinions regarding war and everything. So, how was life of people in the Vedic civilization? Occupations. Growing crops and rearing cattle were the main occupations of the early Aryans. The Aryans grew wheat, barley, and rice. The cow was central to their lives. A man's honor was measured in terms of the number of cows he possessed. The cow was also a unit of barter. What is barter? When you exchange goods for another goods. For example, 1 kilo of wheat you give to someone to get 1 kilo of barley. So that is barter system. The Aryans used horses and chariots in war and peace. In the later Vedic period, the horses became an important religious symbol. The Rig Veda mentions that there were craftsmen such as carpenters, chariot makers, weavers, leather workers, and potters. So, what was the main occupation of during the Vedic civilization? It was growing crops and rearing cattle. These two were the main occupation of the Aryans. What was the produce they used to make? It was wheat, barley, and rice. They used cow as a unit of barter. They would exchange cow for certain grains or certain produce. They would also be measured. One who has the maximum number of cows, he would be considered the most wealthy one. So the horses became an important religious symbols. In the Rig Veda, it is mentioned that carpenters, chariot makers, weavers, leather workers, and potters were also the occupation that was there in the Aryans Aryans or in the Vedic civilizations. We will study about amusements in our next topic. Have a good day, students.